Example 11, matrix A is given, then A dash whole inverse. A dash whole inverse. Once you see here, A dash whole inverse is same as A inverse whole dash. This is the property of inverse of a matrix. A dash whole inverse equal to A inverse whole dash. But what is A inverse formula? Adjoint A by det A whole dash. Here adjoint A is a matrix, det A is a scalar. That means it is 1 by det A into adjoint A whole dash. So we have a property of transpose. K into A whole dash is equal to K into A dash, because K is a scalar that can be taken outside. Here 1 by det A is a scalar quantity, can be taken outside. So 1 by det A into adjoint of A whole dash. So we know what is adjoint. Transpose of the cofactor matrix is the adjoint. If you take transpose of adjoint, you will get the cofactor matrix. So this is cofactor matrix of A. How it will come, I will show you. Say for example, if B is a cofactor matrix, adjoint of A is given by P dash. If B is a cofactor matrix, adjoint of A means a transpose of the cofactor matrix. If you take transpose on both the sides again, adjoint of A is equal to P dash whole dash is B. So what we are getting? Transpose of the cofactor matrix is adjoint. Now the transpose of the adjoint matrix is the cofactor matrix. So here what we are going to find? Det A value and cofactor matrix of A. First of all, det A. What is det A here? Det of 1, minus 2, 3, 0, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 2, 1. Expand the det. 1 into minus 1 minus 8, minus of minus 2 into 0 minus of minus 8 plus 3 into 0 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 9, minus into minus plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into minus 2. So minus 9 plus 16 minus 6. Minus 9 plus 16 plus 7 minus 6, 1. So det A is equal to 1. Next we need to find cofactor matrix of A. For that we follow the shortcut way. You start from the middle element, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 1. Minus 1, 4, 0, minus 1. Minus 1, 4, 0, minus 1. Next come down, 2, 1, minus 2, 2. 2, 1, minus 2, 2. 2, 1, minus 2, 2. Next go up, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2. Minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2. Minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2. And again repeat the top row, minus 1, 4, 0, minus 1. Now cofactor matrix of A. Cofactor matrix of A is equal to, all 2 by 2 determines, minus 1 minus 2 into 4, 8. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus 0. 0 minus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 2 into 3, 6, minus minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus of minus plus 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus of minus plus 3. 3 into 0 0 minus 4 into 1 4. 1 into minus 1 minus 0 into minus 2 0 is equal to minus 9 minus 8 minus 2 8 7 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. This is cofactor matrix. What is our requirement actually? A dash whole inverse, that is same as 1 by det A into cofactor matrix of A. So finally, therefore A dash whole inverse is equal to 1 by det A, that is 1 into, here we have written 1 by det A into cofactor matrix of A. Cofactor matrix of A is minus 9 minus 8 minus 2 8 7 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. So multiplying by 1 means you will get the same matrix again, minus 9 minus 8 minus 2 8 7 2 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. So this is the answer.